Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to see message in Messenger without scene browser. So guys, the first method is just simply go ahead and disconnect to your internet connection and just simply read the message, and you just simply turn it back on, and now it will not be read as seen. Another method is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Messenger application. And now over here, you could just simply select your profile at the bottom left corner of the screen. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the privacy and safety over here on the pop-up window. Now over here, as you can see guys, you will have here read recipients. So guys, when you have this turned on, people will be able to see that you read their messages. But if you turn it off, people won't be able to see when you read their message, and you won't be able to see when they read yours as well. So guys, this simple tool can help you do this video topic. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.